Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. At the top of the year, model and influencer Ari Fletcher was stripped of her deal with Rihanna's lingerie brand Savage X Fenty. The 27-year-old millionaire who makes thousands from posting on Instagram served as a brand ambassador for the singer's company. But her questionable comments about domestic violence led to the end of her sponsorship deal. On the recent episode of The Bet Show, The Impact Atlanta, Fletcher confirmed she missed out on six figures from the Savage X Fenty deal. The new series follows her and other local socialities like celebrity hairstylist Arrogante, rappers Lakia, Des Dior and fellow influencer Jada Chiefs, who has a son with Lil Baby. In the viral clip, Fletcher and her friends began speculating about why her Instagram was shut down. Fans noticed her page was missing for days earlier this year. She alleges it was from recklessly cursing at fans under their Instagram story. She also suggested it could be from an interview she did with Mona Love on the Don't Call Me White Girl podcast. I did an interview with my friend Mona. I said something about an choking me or grabbing a gun or something, but it was like we was joking around, she said during her confessional. People was commenting like about domestic violence, saying, "Oh, why would you say that? What I did was I got on live, like I don't give a F." Not meaning I don't give a F about domestic violence, but I don't give a F. About what you all talking about? This is something else with myself. I need to check. Like, stop reacting. She now understands the impact of how her words can affect her pockets. But this moment also taught the CEO of Remedy by Ari Makeup to build multiple streams of income. But that was a good lesson for me. I needed that because I know I can't always depend on brands and promote other people's shit. I need my own shit, my own products. So when S like this happened, I don't have to worry about not getting paid. Critics came for Fletcher after she opened up about her relationship with rapper Moneybagg Yo on the podcast in December. During the discussion, the reality star joked about being tamed when she's upset. Like, pull your gun out and show me like B. Leave. I wish you would walk out the door, she told Love while smiling. After receiving backlash from domestic violence victims and survivors, Fletcher responded on Instagram Live in a heated rant. She repeatedly said, "Nobody cares. You're ugly. You don't even have a man. First of all, who wants to pull out a gun on you, especially to not leave?" She said in the video, "Nobody wants to do that. Not to you. Nobody even cares about you that much to do that." 2. You all are in the comments like, "Oh, when I was in a relationship, this boy pulled out." Nobody cares. We don't care. We do not care at all. You wanna be a victim so bad. Why do you wanna be a victim so bad? Soon afterward, images of Fletcher were removed from the Savage X Fenty site and Instagram. As many recall, Rihanna is a domestic violence survivor and advocate after an incident on Grammy weekend with Chris Brown in 2009. The two singers were in an on-again, off-again relationship when he reportedly assaulted her in a Lamborghini. After taking a break, they got back together in 2012, which many disapproved of, with things between them finally ending for good in 2013. Thanks for listening and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.